Imagine walking into a kitchen where appliances don't just cook. They think, adapt, automate, and practically do the work for you. In 2026, smart kitchen technology is moving far beyond simple Wi-Fi controls, with AI-powered machines that can monitor food, adjust cooking conditions, guide recipes, and even handle parts of the cooking process automatically. And some of these gadgets look like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. From robotic cooking systems and futuristic air fryers, to intelligent kitchen tools and surprisingly clever countertop devices, these inventions are changing what we expect from everyday cooking. So, if you think you've seen every kitchen gadget imaginable, think again. Here are 15 smart kitchen gadgets that look absolutely unreal. Smokpub Doubot. Smokpub Doubot is a smart dough fermentation system designed to make sourdough and bread baking more consistent. It uses 5 sensors to track dough rise, temperature, humidity, surface temperature, and CO2 levels in real time. Its 20-watt heating system can maintain temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, while the companion app provides fermentation tracking, alerts, preset modes, and saved fermentation data. The kit includes a 1,000 milliliter starter jar and a 4,000 milliliter proofing bowl supporting sourdough, bread, pizza dough, focaccia, and yogurt. The Doubot is currently offered through Kickstarter, with early pledges starting at $159, while its listed MSRP is $299. Wan AIChef Ultra. Wan AIChef Ultra is an advanced AI-powered cooking system designed to automate and simplify everyday meal preparation. It features a 35-liter cooking compartment, 12-megapixel ingredient recognition camera, NVIDIA Jetson Orin nanoprocessor, 15.6-inch main display, 7-inch control screen, and millimeter wave radar. The appliance supports steaming, boiling, baking, frying, sautéing, and stir-frying, while its AI system can recognize ingredients and adjust cooking conditions automatically. It also offers more than 1,000 recipes and personalized meal planning. With commercial-grade temperature control of around plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius, it aims for consistent results across different dishes. The Wan AIChef Ultra is priced at $4,000. COZYTIME LUMO. COZYTIME LUMO is a futuristic AI-powered indoor grill that uses optical infrared heating to deliver fast, smoke-free cooking. Its 1,800-watt system can reach up to 270 degrees Celsius, 518 degrees Fahrenheit, while AI food recognition identifies more than 40 food types and automatically helps optimize cooking settings. It offers fast grill, flat grill, and indoor smoker modes, plus Wi-Fi connectivity and a companion app. The cooking surface measures about 9.8 by 7.9 inches, and the unit weighs around 14.3 pounds. With rapid heating and 3-in-1 functionality, LUMO is designed for convenient indoor BBQ-style cooking. It launched at around $329, compared with $500. Typhur Dome 2 Large AI Smart Air Fryer. Typhur Dome 2 is a premium 5.6-quart AI smart air fryer designed for fast, even cooking with its 360-degree airflow and dual top and bottom heating system. It offers 15 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, pizza, steak, wings, and dehydrate. The wide cooking surface can handle a 12-inch pizza, or up to 32 chicken wings in one batch, while its ceramic-coated basket is PFAS-free and dishwasher safe. A self-cleaning mode makes maintenance easier, and the Typhur app adds smart recipes and cooking controls. The brushless motor keeps operation around 55 decibels. The Typhur Dome 2 is priced at $340 in the deal you provided, while current major retailer pricing is around $390 to $399. Kirin Electric Salt Spoon. Kirin Electric Salt Spoon is a futuristic smart tableware gadget designed to make reduced sodium meals taste more satisfying. Its electrode delivers a weak electrical current into food, helping enhance perceived saltiness and umami, although results can vary by person and dish. The latest ES-S002 model measures approximately 201 by 39 by 28 millimeters, weighs 57 grams without the battery, and uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin battery. It offers 3 intensity levels and is dishwasher safe, making everyday use more convenient. The spoon is designed for soups, curry, fried rice, ramen, and other meals. The latest model costs 24,750 yen, roughly $165 US. Ninja SLUSHi. Ninja SLUSHi is an 88-ounce frozen drink maker that uses rapid chill technology to create smooth slushies without adding ice. Its 200-watt motor and 5 preset programs handle slush, spiked slush, frappe, milkshake, and frozen juice, while adjustable temperature controls let you customize texture. The vessel has a 64-ounce maximum fill capacity and can produce 7+ servings per batch, keeping drinks frozen for up to 12 hours. Dishwasher-safe parts and a built-in rinse cycle simplify cleanup. It measures 16.3 by 6.5, 4 by 16.93 inches, and includes a self-serve handle with an anti-drip spout. The Ninja SLUSHi is currently priced around $300, down from its $350 regular price. Vitamix Ascent X5. Vitamix Ascent X5 is a premium smart blender featuring a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, 1,500 watt power rating, and a 48-ounce container. It offers 10 blending programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, frozen cocktails, nut butters, smoothie bowls, frappes, non-dairy milks, dips, and spice grinding. Its touchscreen style controls, digital timer, tamper indicator, wireless self-detect technology, and automatic self-cleaning program make it highly versatile. The X5 measures 9.75 by 7.75 by 17 inches and weighs 14.25 pounds with a 10-year full warranty. The Vitamix Ascent X5 is currently priced at $699.95, reduced from $75. Our PlaceDream Cooker. Our PlaceDream Cooker is a stylish 6-quart multi-cooker designed to combine several cooking methods in one countertop appliance. It offers pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing/searing, and keep warm functions with automatic steam release and built-in safety features. The 1,200 watt cooker measures 15.2 inches tall, 12.4 inches in diameter, and 13.3 inches deep, while weighing 12.9 pounds. Its aluminum inner pot features a toxin-free ceramic nonstick coating, and the touch controls keep operation simple. The pressure cooking function can deliver slow-cooked results much faster than traditional methods, making it useful for busy kitchens. The Dream Cooker is priced at $200. GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker. GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker brings authentic wood-smoked flavor indoors using an electric pellet system and active smoke filtration that converts smoke into warm air. It features smart smoke generation, efficient pellet usage, 3 cooking racks, a magnetic meat probe, and a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Measuring 16.25 by 16.5 by 20.35 inches, it fits on a countertop, while still providing enough room for brisket, ribs, chicken, and other foods. Its compact design makes smoking more accessible without an outdoor grill. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker is currently listed at $700, with clearance pricing around $600 from GE. Seattle Ultrasonic Chef's Knife. Seattle Ultrasonic's C200 is a futuristic 8-inch chef's knife that uses ultrasonic technology to make cutting smoother and easier. Its Japanese AUS-10 stainless steel blade is hardened to 60 HRC and vibrates at ultrasonic frequencies of 30 to 55 kilohertz, reducing friction and helping deliver up to 50% less cutting force. It features a removable 1,100 mAh lithium-ion battery, USB-C charging, IP65 water resistance, and a 13-degree edge angle per side. The ultrasonic function can run for more than 20 minutes continuously, while the knife remains fully functional when switched off. The Seattle Ultrasonic C200 is priced at $400. Shelfy Smart Food System. Shelfy is a smart refrigerator device designed to help keep food fresher while reducing odors and food waste. It uses a washable photocatalytic filter with nanotechnology to target ethylene, mold, bacteria, and odor-causing compounds, while built-in sensors monitor refrigerator conditions and door openings. Shelfy offers 3 modes: Eco, Crisper, and Performance, and connects through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to the VitaChef app. Its rechargeable 10,400 mAh battery can provide up to 3 weeks of operation in Eco mode with USB-C charging. The Shelfy Smart Food System is priced at around $150 to $180, depending on the retailer. Posha Kitchen Robot. Posha Kitchen Robot is an AI-powered countertop chef designed to automate much of the cooking process. It uses computer vision to monitor food, automatically adds ingredients, controls heat, and stirs at the right moments. The system supports more than 1,000 recipes, including curries, pasta, rice dishes, and family meals, while its included stainless steel pan, containers, spatulas, and spice pods simplify preparation. Posha is designed to let users prepare ingredients, start a recipe, and walk away while the robot handles cooking. It currently costs $1,500, reduced from $1,750, with an optional $14.95 monthly membership for unlimited recipes. Fullstar Pro. Fullstar Pro is a compact 5-cup manual vegetable chopper designed to speed up everyday meal preparation. Its 420 stainless steel blades can quickly dice vegetables, while the soft grip handle and non-slip rubber base provide better control during use. The BPA-free catch container keeps chopped ingredients contained and helps reduce countertop mess. The classic 4-in-1 version includes interchangeable dicing and spiralizing blades, while the parts are top-rack dishwasher safe for easier cleanup. It requires no electricity, making it simple to use and store in small kitchens. The Fullstar Pro is priced at around $26, making it an affordable option for quick vegetable prep. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact 360-watt kitchen gadget that makes breakfast fast and simple. It can cook up to 7 hard or soft-boiled eggs, poach 2 eggs, or prepare 1 individual omelet at a time. A built-in precision thermal sensor helps prevent overcooking, while the included measuring cup makes adding the correct amount of water easy. Its accessories store inside the cooker, and the non-electric parts are dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. Measuring 6.3 by 6.3 by 7.4 inches and weighing just 1.1 pounds, it is easy to store in small kitchens. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is priced at $17 in the deal you provided. Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. This 16-ounce, 470 milliliters. Glass Olive Oil Sprayer is a simple 2-in-1 kitchen gadget that combines spraying and pouring in one bottle. Its precision nozzle can produce either a fine mist or steady stream, with each spray dispensing about 0.15 grams of oil for more controlled cooking. The bottle is made from BPA-free, heat-resistant glass and is designed for use with olive oil, salads, BBQ, and air fryers. Its 7.2 1x4.08-inch design provides a compact countertop footprint, while lifetime support adds extra peace of mind. The glass olive oil sprayer is priced at $8, making it an inexpensive upgrade for everyday cooking.